How to stop automatically following other Instagram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and then click on App, Website Permissions. Then click on Apps and Website at the top. In here, if you find any third-party app, simply remove it. Sometimes adding third-party app may cause that kind of problem. If not, go to Settings and Activity and go to Account Center. Click on Password and Security, and then click on Change Password. Then click on Instagram. And here you can change your password. Sometimes if anybody has logged in, they won't be able to log in to your account again if you have changed password, and they won't be able to follow people from your account. This is how to stop automatically following other Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.